They looked ordinary. What they did still haunts investigators today. In 1979, California, two men became known as Toolbox Killers. Lawrence Bittaker and Roy Norris abducted teenage girls using a van to trap their victims and tools to terrorize them. Their crimes weren't just violent. They were calculated, prolonged, and documented. One recording was so disturbing, jurors were warned before hearing it. Some couldn't finish listening. Bittaker received the death penalty. Norris got life in prison. But the fear they created never disappeared. If you want more real cases they don't teach in school, follow now. Like to keep this story alive. Comment next if you want part 2.